This is English shorthand dictation, legal matter, speed 100 word per minute. Be ready, start. The controversy in the above appeals pertains to the reservations to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes in promotion in the post of assistant engineer civil in public works department, government of Uttarakhand. Stop para. The Uttar Pradesh Public Services Reservation for Scheduled Castes, Scheduled Tribes and Other Backward Classes Act, 1994, for short, the 1994 Act provided for reservation in public services and posts in favor of persons belonging to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes of citizens. Stop. Section 3, subsection 1 of the said Act stipulated reservation at the stage of direct recruitment. Stop. According to the section 3 within bracket 7 of the 1994 Act, the government orders providing reservation for appointment to public posts filled up by promotion which were existing on the date of commencement of the 1994 Act shall continue till they are modified or revoked. Stop. After the formation of the state of Uttarakhand in 2001, the Uttar Pradesh Public Services Scheduled Caste, Scheduled Tribes and Other Backward Caste Reservation Act 1994 was made applicable to the state of Uttaranchal by a notification dated 30/8/2001 with a modification in the percentage of reservations. Stop. 21% reservation for scheduled castes was modified to 19% and 2% for scheduled tribes was increased to 4%. Stop. Likewise, 21% reservation provided in the 1994 Act for other backward classes was altered to 14%. Stop. Para. A division bench of the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad in Mukund Kumar Srivastav versus State of UP upheld a validity of Rules 8A of the Uttar Pradesh Servants Government Seniority Rules, 1991, which dealt with consequential seniority of persons belonging to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Stop. Later, in Prem Kumar Singh versus State of UP, another division bench of the High Court of Judicature at Allahabad, Lucknow bench held that the judgment in Mukund Kumar Srivastav Supra is per incurium and not a binding precedent. Stop. In Prem Kumar Singh's case, Supra, the High Court declared Section 3 within bracket 7 of the 1994 Act and Rule 8A of the seniority rules unconstitutional. Stop. While declaring the correctness of the judgments of the High Court, this court by its judgment in Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation versus Rajesh Kumar held that Section 3 within bracket 7 of the 1994 Act is unconstitutional insofar as it is contrary to the dictum. Stop. Mr. Gyanchand, who was working as Assistant Commissioner Civil, State Tax and belonging to scheduled castes community, filed a writ petition for questioning the proceeding dated 5/9/2012. Stop. Para. The challenge to Section 3 within bracket 7 of the 1994 Act as extended to the state of Uttarakhand was upheld by the High Court of Uttarakhand. Stop. Relying upon the judgment of this court in UP Power Corporation within bracket Supra, the High Court of Uttarakhand declared Section 3 within bracket 7 of the 1994 Act unconstitutional and directed that no promotion can be given by the state by taking recourse to Section 3 within bracket 7 of the 1994 Act. Stop. by way of implementation of the judgment of the High Court. A committee was constituted by the government of Uttarakhand for collection of quantifiable data relating to the backwardness. Stop.